Happy International Nurses Day, the 12th of May 2020. 100 years since the nursing profession began. As I started this presentation today to you, I thought to myself about where were we a year ago when we were beginning to think about the fantastic celebrations we were due to have at this time this year. We were a long way from where we are now, where I was thinking, how are we going to celebrate the contribution that nurses make within Cardiff and the Vale Health Board? I find myself not needing to do that at all, because you have all done that yourself. It has been really quite an extraordinary time that we find ourselves in. So as we face the challenge of COVID-19, I see nurses going way and above in the work that they're doing. And that began for me when I saw the community nursing team of ART changing their entire way of working to start to set up a testing system so that we could be tested to come back to work. I saw the amazing work that our critical care teams have been doing as they don and doff in their PPE, and those working in A&E and in our respiratory wards in very hot environments and having to undertake challenging conversations with their patients and distressing sometimes conversations with families. But they do that with great skill, and I feel very proud of that. I see our mental health nurses working closely with our physical health nurses, trying to ensure that they have got the skills required to care for their client group in an appropriate way. I see our paediatric nurses, who've always looked after little people, learning and developing to look after those who are much bigger and much older than what they're used to. And they do that with great enthusiasm and motivation. Again, making us all feel very proud that we can step outside of the work that we normally do. And those in senior nursing and leadership positions who balance the risk every day as they try to manage the staffing position and keep us safe. I feel very proud to be the Executive Nurse Director of Cardiff and the Vale, and feel very proud of the work that you do to keep us safe. So on this very important day for nursing, I thank you for your contribution.